Hey there, Internet! In our last video, we talked about how you can take these Java files, run them through the Java compiler, and output them as a class. And then how you can take that class and run it in the terminal, and we had some basic little programs that added numbers and had basic outputs and stuff like that. Now, if you haven't seen this video, I would recommend seeing that first because what I'm about to talk about might get a little confusing. So definitely, I'll have a link down in the description to that first video, and I'll even try to do one of those little cue card things up in the corner. So yeah. But, like we talked about last time, if you want to compile it, and we use the Java C command, we also use the Java command to run it, and from time to time you'll have errors. Well, this will happen, and 9 times out of 10, and this is how I was able to fix my system, if you use the command sudo space update hyphen alternatives space hyphen hyphen config space Java, this will let you set the Java path for the Linux system. So if you're having any issues or problems or whatever it is, you can go in there and change it. And again, this is how I was able to fix my system and the problems I was having. So again, this will allow you to set the path, and here's the path. So in my particular system, again, this will vary from system to system, you can see that I have 4 different options. The option I currently have selected is option 0, which is this long path, which is basically the OpenJDK, or JDK, in auto mode. And you can tell because it has this asterisk right here next to it. And again, you can see I have the OpenJDK path manual mode. I have the JRE that integrates into the JDK in manual mode, and then I have straight up JRE. So let's say I want to change it to 1. That'll do that, and if I run it again, and we go back up and look, you'll see last time the asterisk was at the 0, and this time it's moved down to the 1. So by doing this, this has changed the Java path from this long thing in auto mode to this long thing in manual mode. Now again, if you're still having issues, you can try 2, and hopefully by the 3rd time it should work. And we'll just call that one to leave it. But that basically changes the Java path and will help you fix majority of errors when you're trying to compile Java in Linux using the commands that we talked about in the last video. Alright, YouTube, once again, hope this video helped. Hope you now can, if you had errors in the from following along in the last video, I hope that this video helped iron them out. And if you like the video, like all the coding videos that I did, I definitely recommend that you subscribe to this channel. I do a lot of kind of electronic and science-y and computer stuff, and I also do some other interesting videos. So definitely hit subscribe, check out some of the other videos that I've had on the channel. And also, if this helped you and you think it could help someone else, definitely share it with a couple of your other nerdy computer friends that may be taking some comp-sci courses. Alright, Internet, thanks for watching. Hope this helped. Bye.